Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I will be showing you a new feature in Odoo version 19. You can now extend offers to non-user employees. If you go into the Employees app and go to a random contact, there is now a smart button here for offers. This one's in progress. You can set all the parameters here. Make sure there's a PDF template tied to the contract template. All this information is editable. And we'll click send by email. And once we send that, it will show up here in the chatter. And this is what the prospective employee would see. They can enter their personal information that would be necessary to complete the whole process. And then they can also review and sign the contract. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.